Hello, and welcome to the StellaLife Innovator Series. I'm Liz Landry, and today we're going to be presenting Dr. Soonmyo Wheeler. Dr. Wheeler has a general dental practice in Rohnert Park, California, and she's going to be sharing how she and her team choose to have the best attitude every day. By deliberately making this choice, they have found that their patients enjoy a positive and even transformational dental experience. So, by speaking from her heart, she's going to demonstrate how much control we truly have. We're so happy to present Dr. Soonmyo Wheeler.
Hello to all of my amazing dental communities. My name is Soonmyo Wheeler. I'm practicing in general dentistry in Northern California. I'm here to share some of the thoughts that we're all going through this tough time with the pandemic situations, and you are coming in contact with many patients in these days. So how can we, more positive note to the people that we come in contact with? So I would like to share some of the ideas that or doing things that we do in our office. And since COVID situation happened, and my office took about 2.5 months of time off, and from June, middle of the June, we started opening up full time from there. Since then, though, for those about 2.5 months, 3 month period of time, I actually enjoyed the time being off, and I studied about myself and come in contact with a masterminding group of people and learning about how we can impact society, how we can even impact in ourselves and the teams and our family members to start with. So that was a really great experience for me. So since we opened up from June, middle of the June 15, I decided to, reduce our office hours, and you have more time to, morning huddle hours with our team before we start. So we check on our attitude, and so what is the attitude? We talked about attitude check every single day. What is it, attitude? Attitude is about your composite of your thoughts and your feelings and your actions. What does that mean? Your thoughts. We have thought is coming to your conscious mind. That thoughts, you always have a choice to pick. You have a choice to make. Nobody can actually force you to think that thoughts that you don't want to think about. And I think it's always start from there. So let's say, when people are coming into your office, people and patients, I'm saying, or your team members, they're talking about, the economy is bad, and they're talking about scared ofness of COVID-19 virus. And when you have that situation, what would you do? Are you going along with the conversation with them, or are you more looking for something more positive note? And at that point, you don't have to entertain their negative ideas. You don't have to accept their negative thoughts. You can just simply say, hey, that's interesting. But what you could do is you can talk about something more positive note, to the person that you're talking to. It could be your team member. It could be your patients. If they're really scared about those things, you can just simply change the subject and saying, hey, talk about something, what they're doing well. Talk about something who they are, being more positive note. You are going to make their day at that moment right away. And your positive energy will flow through that person as well. And we also have subconsciously, when you are entertaining any of those negative or positive idea, when they getting into your emotional side of your subconscious mind, our subconscious mind doesn't have any ability to reject. It just have to accept to it. So, but it all starts from your own thinking, start of your own thoughts. So you do have actual control over it. So when you are impressed on some of the ideas of whatever it's negative or positive, it actually, your energy will change. Your vibrational energy will change. That vibrational energy actually make your, action, dictate your action toward the world and toward the patient, toward outside of the world. So that's what I mean is your attitude is the key for everything. It is a magic world. Whatever you're going to achieve, it is dictated by the attitude you do, of your thoughts, emotions, and then actions. So when you have a patient coming in, when we're having meetings and whatnot, when we have a patients coming in, I usually making sure that giving them something good, positive note. And people are coming into dental office, and most of the time they are really scared. They don't really like that. It is their programmed, their conditions from generation to generation. Dental office is something that you don't really have fun with, but you can be the person that actually changed that experience by making them feel good about themselves. So leaving that impressions, everyone you come in contact with, the impressions of increase in their lives. What do you mean increase? Making them feel good about themselves. I think that's the one thing that in generally dental communities or patients may not even thinking about that, but you can change that one person's world. One person can change the world. One person changed my whole world. You can change one person's world and everyone you come in contact with. And I think that will be huge in their experiences, and that will huge impact on your business as well. Everyone wants to gain of their business richness in their own lives. Rich is coming in. Rich is not doesn't come in achieved by you're doing certain things. You're doing certain things in a certain way. I think that's where the richness coming in. So when you're giving, when you're giving the person the impressions of making them feel good about themselves and a feeling of increase in their own lives, you are what you give is something that what is going to come back to you. It will richly compensate your business at the same time. So you can actually create your own economy, even if people might say about the bad economy and social medias and in the news, that you can create your own economy. You can create your own raving fans of a patients that who actually really want to come to your office. And that's something that I am really focusing on, and we are having amazing and fun time in our office, and our teams are very enthusiastic about the everyday start with our own emotion check, our own attitude check. What am I thinking? What's my feelings, and that automatically comes in our actions at the same time. And then when it does that, we are actually attracting so many new patients. So many patients actually wants to come in here at the same time. So, one person at a time, you can change that one person's experience in your own office. And you guys are amazing. And all dentists are here, their intention is they want to really help others. You guys are improving people's lives through physical and emotional healing. We're literally improving people's lives through physical healings. And when you do physical healings, you're actually elevating their emotional healings at the same time. And I am so proud of you guys. And be safe out there and asking questions. What am I looking for? What kind of attitude do you want to choose? And everything you come in contact, there's always bad things, there's always good things in it at the same time. Everything has a bad, everything has good in it. What do you look for? And I think that will determine your attitude toward your life, toward your business, and you absolutely have the control over what kind of attitude you want. And I think that's also impacting your business into the next level. Whatever you want, you can create your own economy at the same time. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And have fun every day. Enjoy your life. And, you know, you are the amazing leaders in your life. You are the amazing leaders in your family. You are the amazing leaders in your dental team. And I am so proud of you guys. And I am so proud of being a part of the dental community. Thank you so much for your time and listening. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day every single day. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, Dr. Wheeler. Many of us have found that these attitude check techniques help us in every encounter we have, not just with our patients, but with our family members, our team members, and our friends. We do have a choice, and by taking control of our attitude, we can control our destiny. So change yourself and change the world. Let's do it. Stay happy and stay well. See you next time.